Valerie Chambers with Holton-Wise, and today we are going to be talking about the Holton-Wise Renovation Process. So whether you're in the process of buying a vacant property and Holton-Wise is going to do the renovation for you and get it ready to place your very first tenant, or Holton-Wise has been managing this property for a while, or maybe you're transferring management and you're coming upon your first unit turnover, this is how the renovation process works. Within 2 business days, we will be out to the property to change the locks and to secure it. In the past, we have been asked to not do this. However, this step is a non-negotiable. There's no way to confirm that the keys that were turned into us are the only copies out there. So this way we can ensure that Holton-Wise and the set that we give to your new tenant are the only copies out there. Once your property has been secured, your property goes into a queue for a rent-ready estimate. Our techs go out to the property, they do a walkthrough, take notes, and get photos, which are sent to you within 5 to 7 business days while we are working to finalize that rent-ready estimate. The rent-ready estimate is then sent to you via dot loop within 7 to 10 business days for your review and acceptance. Once you've reviewed the estimate that we've sent to you via dot loop and you've accepted it and sent us your initial deposit, work will be scheduled to begin. Typically for smaller jobs, work will be scheduled to begin within about 10 to 14 business days. The larger jobs are typically scheduled more like 20 to 30 business days. The reason for this is we have multiple teams working to get these units rent ready. Once work is started at your property, the length of time for the work to be completed is dependent on the size and scope of work. So a smaller job, like a unit turnover, maybe around $5,000 and under, will be typically completed within 14 business days. A large-scale renovation, 10 grand and up, is going to take upwards of 30 to 60 days dependent on how much renovation we are doing. Once the renovation or unit turnover work has been completed, you're going to receive a final invoice along with your outstanding balance, along with links to the ads, which will include photos of the unit that we use to advertise the unit for rent. Please keep in mind that things such as weather, permit requirements, and any red tape from local municipalities can extend these timelines. However, we will do our best to keep you updated if these delays occur. Be sure to follow the Holton-Wise Instagram page to see our tenant-focused advertising. Also, subscribe to the Holton-Wise YouTube channel to be sure to catch all of our real estate-related content, education, and hot properties for sale. As always, Valerie Chambers with Holton-Wise, Real Estate Investing Made Easy. Are we live? Okay, are we recording? All right, are we recording? Is it recording? Is it recording? Be sure to follow the Holton-Wise Instagram page.
Why is your head still up?
I started over.
Put your head down and then put it up. Don't just leave it there.
I put it
You're
down.
not a waitress. You're not bringing out a bunch of salad.
Would you guys like some property management today? YouTube.
Yeah.
No? Okay.
We experience any delay.
If we experience, okay. Yeah, I was so close.
We're going to send you